Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable the DLNA media server on your Windows machine. And now, let's get started. First, let's understand what DLNA is. DLNA stands for Digital Living Network Alliance. It's a software solution that allows you to explore media content stored on your PC using your TV and various other media devices on your network. Essentially, it facilitates sharing digital media between these devices through a DLNA server. This means you can seamlessly stream media content from your computer to your TV or other compatible appliances over your network. To enable the DLNA media server on your Windows machine, you need to access the control panel. You can do this by clicking on the search bar, typing Control Panel, and then selecting the Control Panel option. Once you are in the control panel, if your view is set to large or small icons, I recommend switching to the category view for easier navigation. In the category view, click on Network and Internet, then select Network and Sharing Center. On the left-hand side of the Network and Sharing Center window, you will find an option labeled Media Streaming Options. Click on this option. Here, you will see a button to turn on media streaming. Clicking this button will enable the DLNA media server on your Windows machine, allowing you to share your media content with other devices on your network. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.